3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale and exhale. Just sit down and relax. Now same from the opposite side again. Stand on your knee. Open your left leg to the side. Open hand, shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Bend to the left side. Straight your right hand. Just keep breathing and stay in this position. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Dantai finger low. Dantai straight your both hands. Open chest and look up. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale. Exhale now on to the right side. Straight your both hands. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale. Tai Su. Exhale. Now hold your right foot with the right hand. Tai Fi. Yes. Shoulder down, inhale and exhale. Bend your back. 5. Push your hip front. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale and exhale. Gapcha. Ngồi xuống. Sit down. Take inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, look front. Come into the cat pose and look front. Take inhale. Push your hip out, look front. Exhale, then look down. Inhale. Push your hip out, look front. Exhale, then look down. Now look front. This time, right leg up. Inhale. Drop leg opposite side. Exhale. Bend your back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale. Exhale. Cat pose, look down. Same from the opposite side. Left leg up. Inhale. Drop leg opposite side. And exhale. Bend your back. Shoulder down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Take inhale and exhale. Now look front. This time right hand, shoulder down, head down. Inhale and exhale. Left hand up, look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, chan chai len, left leg up, hang chan chai len, straight your left. 5, make balance. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Gap chan chai. Hold your foot, inhale, exhale, chan chai le, look up. 5, 4, 3. Try to make balance. And 1, come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, drop your left hand, shoulder down. Inhale, thigh file. Exhale, inhale, look up. 5, open chest, more. 4, 3, 2, and chan file. Right leg up, chan file. Straight your right leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your right leg. Hold your foot, inhale, and exhale, chan file. Thang thai five, straight your right hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Take inhale and exhale. Cat pose, in swam. Look down. Now, coming to the downward facing dog and look down. Thang chân chai le. Straight your left leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Put your left leg front. Mid of your both palm. Stand here. Inhale. Exhale. Hands up. Bend your left leg 90 degrees. Shoulder behind. 5. Stay here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tai Suang. Hands down. Now put your right hand to the side, open chest. Take inhale and exhale. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tai Suang. Inhale, chan chai vesau, chaturanga. Exhale, go down, chaturanga, everyone. Right, chaturanga. Inhale, chest up, look up, shoulder down, Mong Suang, Wai Suang. And exhale, downward facing dog and look down, shoulder down. Now, Tangchen Phailen, right leg up. Inhale, exhale, put your right leg front, hands up. Take inhale, exhale. Chin Moido, 90 degree. Right knee. 5, Gapchen 5. 4, shoulder behind. 3, 2, and 1. Tai Suang. Tai Chai Convention 5, opposite side. Yes. Inhale, hands up straight. And inhale, look up, exhale, make balance, stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, hands down, exhale. Downward facing dog, look down. Tangchen chai le, left leg up, inhale. Exhale, chan chai chuak. Put your left leg front. Now straight your both legs. Inhale, down tay sau lưng and exhale, look down. Tay lên, hands up. 5, 4, 3, tension, 2, and 1. Tay xuống. Inhale, exhale now. Tay phải gần bàn chân trái. Put your right hand onto the side of your left foot, open chest. Take inhale and exhale. Tay lên, hands up. Stay here, keep breathing. Hold it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Take inhale. Exhale. Gap chân chai. Now bend your left leg. Right heel down and open hand to the side. Take inhale. Exhale. Nhìn mắt tay chai. Look up at your left palm. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale. Exhale. Tay chai lên. Left hand up, look up. Gập chân, mông xuống một chút, gập chân trái. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, gập chân. Exhale, tay xuống. Thẳng tay phải qua đầu, tay trái gần bàn chân trái. Left hand down. Look up, stay here. 5, bấm xuống. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tay xuống, chân trái về sau. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, keep your elbow close with the chest. Straight leg, vai lên một chút. Inhale, look up, shoulder down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Look up. Now, straight your right leg up, thang chân lên, chân phải. Inhale, exhale, chân phải chưa. Thang hai chân, straight your both legs, thang chân phải. Đàn tay sau lưng, inhale and exhale, tay lên, hands up. Just stay here, make balance, normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Tay xuống. Inhale, exhale. Tay trái gần chân phải. Yes, opposite side, this side. Straight your right leg, open your chest and look up. Tay lên, hands up. 5, big balance, touch your foot down. 4, 3, again, 2 and 1. Hands down. Inhale, exhale. Now left heel down, close leg. Gập chân phải, chin môi độ. Right bend. Bend your right leg 90 degree. Inhale, thẳng lưng. Nhìn mắt tay phải, exhale. 6, 5, 4, yeah, one tay xuống. 3, 2 and 1. Tay phải lên. Nhìn lên, gập chân phải. Bend your right leg, don't straight your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, giang tay. Exhale, hand down and straight your Left hand up, shoulder little behind, mum suong. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, hands down. Inhale, chin 5 is downward facing dog. Exhale, look down. Tension chile. Left leg up, look down. Inhale, exhale, chin chai chua. Put your left leg front. Now this time, hang high chin, straight your both legs. Open hand. Once more time. Now this time, triangle pose. Take inhale, exhale, look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, come back. Inhale, exhale, gap chin chin. Bend your left leg, high thigh leg, finger low. Inhale, exhale. Bend to the left side, wide this out, shoulder behind little bit, untie, straight hand, open chest. 5, keep smiling. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, gap chin. Inhale, Thailand. Exhale. Bend to the left side. More down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Tai Chuan. Inhale, Tai Chuan, Tai Chuan. Exhale, downward facing dog. Look down. Tension Thailand, right leg up, inhale, exhale, put your right leg front first, left heel down, stand on your feet, straight your leg, triangle pose, Trikonasana. Take inhale, go lengthen, exhale, right hand down, left hand up, look up, stay here, take normal breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale, gupchan, bend your leg, both hands up, finger low. Take inhale, benchai, left side, exhale, shoulder little behind and look up, stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale onto the right side. Yes, more down, open chest. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Tai Chuan, Chan Chai Chua, Namle Ko Chan. Hold your ankle, look down, stay here. 6,